Hello friends, in today's video I will show you how to crochet this mini purse. This is made with two contrasting colors and this is two granny square patches. I have made this strap. So let's get started. I am using a 5mm crochet hook and this yarn. I have made one patch already. Now we would make the second patch. So first of all, make a slip knot. Now with the help of crochet hook, start making chains. So make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5 and then chain 6. So after making 6 chains, make a slip stitch into the first chain to form a ring. And now we have to work into this ring to make granny square patch. Make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3. These 3 chains will be counted as a first double crochet stitch. Now wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into the magic ring, draw a loop, pull the yarn through 2 loops and then pull the yarn through 2 loops. So this is our double crochet stitch, and then make another double crochet stitch into the ring. So now we have 3 double crochet stitches including chain 3. Now make 2 chains for the corner and again make double crochet 1, then double crochet 2 and then double crochet 3 into the magic ring, into the ring. Then again make 2 chains and then make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, then double crochet 3, again make 2 chains. If you want beginner level working, then visit my beginner friendly videos of granny square patch. Now cut this yarn end and make 2 chains, which is the last corner of our granny square. Now make a slip stitch into third chain, make a slip stitch into the second double crochet stitch and then make a slip stitch into the third double crochet stitch. We have to work into the chain 2 space, so make a slip stitch into chain 2, now make 3 chains which will also be counted as a double crochet stitch, and then make a double crochet into the chain 2, again make a double crochet into the chain 2. Now make 2 chains again and make 3 double crochet into the chain 2 space, double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and then double crochet 3 into the chain 2 space. Now make chain 1, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and then double crochet 3 into the next chain 2, make 2 chains and again make 3 double crochet stitches into this chain 2 space, double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3. Now make chain 1 and into the next chain 2 space, repeat the process and in this way complete the round. Now in the last, make chain 1 again, and to finish the round, make a slip stitch into the third chain, then make a slip stitch into the second double crochet stitch, and make a slip stitch into the third double crochet stitch. Second round is completed. Now we have to work into the chain 2 space, and now we would change the color also. Now with this gray color, start working by making a slip stitch into the chain 2 space, now make chain 1, chain 2, and then chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet in every round of granny square. Make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2, make chain 2 and make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2, and then double crochet 3 into this chain 2, make chain 1, and into the next chain 1 space make 3 double crochet stitches, double crochet 1, double crochet 2, and the last one is double crochet 3. Now cut these 2 yarn ends and remove them. And now complete this round by making 3 double crochet, 2 chain 3 double crochet in the corner stitch and 3 double crochet in chain 1 space, and in this way complete 3 rounds with this color. So I have made this patch also. You can also see my other beginner friendly granny square patchwork video. Now you would make single crochet on these 3 sides with the help of crochet hook. Now go into this chain 2 space from both patches. First of all, make a slip knot with this pink yarn. Now go into this chain 2 space and make chain 1, then make a slip stitch, single crochet into this chain 2 space, again make a single crochet into this chain 2 space, and now make a single crochet into the double crochet stitches of both patches, make a slip stitch into the next double crochet stitches of both patches, and then make a slip stitch into the next double crochet stitch, which is the third double crochet stitch from both patches, and now make a slip stitch into this chain 1 space, and then again make a slip stitch, single crochet into this double crochet stitch. We would make single crochet all around these 3 sides and weave them. I have made single crochet. Now in this chain 2 space, which is the corner stitch, make 5 single crochet stitches in both of these corners. Now we would make strap or handle of the bag. For that purpose, make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5, chain 6, chain 7, chain 8, chain 9, and then chain 10. So in this way, make chain according to your length. You can make 70, 80 or even 60 chains. You may also increase the chain if you want longer handle. Now take the right side of chain upward and then make a slip stitch into the first single crochet stitch, which is the starting stitch, and pull the yarn, cut it with the help of cutter and remove the extra yarn strand. Now weave this yarn end with the help of yarn needle and make a knot first and then go into the back side and pull the yarn needle through some single crochet stitches. Now cut this yarn end. Our work is secured. So the bag is ready. If you like this video, give it huge thumbs up and do subscribe to our channel also and press the bell icon to get notifications. Thank you for watching. Bye.